Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to do two projects using plain plastic shower curtains that will be showcased in the formal dining room. In my first project, I will make a beautiful mirrored serving tray, and in my second project, I will make glitzy napkin rings. For a list of the materials, you can visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks as well as links to where you may purchase the materials. To begin, I will show you the materials I used. For my first project, we will need a large charger plate. The one I have is silver and was purchased at the Dollar Tree. The charger plates come in a variety of colors and similar ones are also available at Dollarama. Of course, you will also need 2 packs of plain plastic shower curtain rings, also from the Dollar Tree. Each patch comes with 12 rings. If you want to give your tray some height, you will also need some legs. I have chosen 3 oversized plastic diamond shapes I had left over from a previous project. These oversized diamond shapes were also purchased at the Dollar Tree, but if you can't find them, you can also opt to use crystal doorknobs. For a video on how I use crystal doorknobs as legs on a tray, I will include a link to my triple frame silver tray video down below. Next, we will also need a round mirror. The one I have is from the Dollar Tree. For embellishments, we will need a string of silver necklace beads available at Dollar Tree as well as on eBay. We will also need some crystal gems. I have an assortment of gems which I have collected over the years, some of which were purchased at Hobby Lobby and some were purchased from eBay. As for most of my DIY projects, we will need our handy-dandy glue gun and glue sticks for instant hold, some E6000 for permanent hold if you prefer, and some clear glue. Since we will be embellishing with a lot of crystal gems, we will also need a gem picker. The one I have was purchased from eBay. Now to begin the build process. We will start with making the silver mirror tray. We will need 1.5 packs of the shower curtain rings. Each ring will have an opening that can be closed. I recommend that you ensure each ring is closed securely before gluing down the rings. The rings should be glued down with the closed end against the charger plate. The rings should be placed along the perimeter of the charger plate, leaving approximately 1 to 2 millimeters between each ring. Once all the shower curtain rings are glued down securely to the plate, gently turn the plate upside down and place it on your table. Then take each designated crystal leg and glue them down to the bottom of the plate, forming a triangular shape. Once the legs are secured and the glue has dried, it's time to turn the plate right side up so that we can place a mirror to the center of the plate. When placing the mirror, you will note that I have opted to use both glue sticks for instant hold as well as some E6000 for permanent hold. For the next step, I will be gluing down a string of silver beads between the edge of the round mirror and the charger plate. Our beautiful silver mirrored serving tray is now complete. This project was so easy and so quick to do and only cost me less than $5 to make. This serving tray will be placed on my dining table where it will hold my silver cutlery and some napkins. And speaking of napkins, our next project will be turning a bunch of shower curtain rings into napkin holders. For the napkin holders, I will be making several designs with an assortment of crystal gems. For this part of this video, simply sit back and enjoy watching the process as I place the gems along the curtain rings and make each one of them glisten and shine. The napkin holders are complete. I ended up making 3 different designs, all complementing each other. I really enjoyed transforming plain shower curtain rings into exquisite home decor items that I can show off in my dining room. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.